Okay guys, so I just vacuumed the rug with the Eureka Airspeed 1. However, I had a problem where the belt broke and I had to take apart this bottom piece right here. And what I did was I unscrewed all the screws and I took the old belt out, and yes, as it turns out, like I said, it did break, and that is it right here. This is the old belt that came out of it. It's broken right here, so that's going in the garbage. And I put a new belt on it, which actually works really nicely. And this vacuum actually, believe it or not, sounds even different than it did before. And it actually sounds better too. I actually like how it sounds now. It actually sounds really nice, and it sounds like it's actually. And when you vacuum, it actually has like lots of power to it now, because like when you're vacuuming, it actually like it pulls and it feels really powerful. So I'm gonna demonstrate that right now. I thought I would do this video to show you what it's like after I just fixed it. So yeah, I'll demonstrate it right now, how unique and how cool it sounds and how it pulls across the rug as you vacuum. Like it'll pull. Like it has that much strength in it when you vacuum. So yeah, like I said, I'll do that demonstration right now, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Sounds really nice now, I think. I like the sound of it, honestly. It just pulls, it really does. I can feel it right now. It pulls a lot more when you first start vacuuming, though, I'll tell you that. But it does have a lot of power in it right now. Super powerful vacuum. So yeah, like I said, it might have been really hard to notice, but it was pulling pretty easily, especially when I first started vacuuming the rug. So yeah, it's got a brand new belt in it now, and apparently it's a very good belt, and it actually works perfectly for this vacuum cleaner. So, yeah, old belt going in the garbage. And I just re-vacuumed the rug as what I would call it. And I think it's probably even more clean than it was in my last video, because it has a new belt in it now. And of course I have to dump it out in the garbage can. I have to, dump it out because it needs to be dumped out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back to doing more vacuuming videos like always. So I'm gonna go dump this out. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Has a nice brand new belt in it, brand new, and it works excellent now. So I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe I'll do a video tomorrow. Maybe I'll do a vlog tomorrow. We'll see. I'm sorry I didn't do any vlogs this weekend. I just didn't feel like it, and But I'll try to do some vlogs this upcoming weekend. At the end of this week, maybe I'll do a vlog Saturday, and then I'll do a vlog Sunday like I did the first 2 days after I got my iPad. But anyways, guys, have an awesome rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed my last vacuuming video where I was vacuuming the rug with this vacuum. So I'll talk to you guys later, and remember, R is for red.